Welcome to the Posting Board, Treatment's one-stop resource site. If you've posted a job and are ready to review your applicants, your employer dashboard makes it simple. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your account. Go to thepostingboard.com and select Login in the upper right-hand corner. If you are the admin, select Member Login, then enter your email and password. If you're a team member, select Team Login and type in your email address to receive your magic link to go directly to your job posting platform. From your member's dashboard, scroll down to Job Board, click the highlighted button to start. Go to Post Jobs Now to search applicants for your open positions on the posting board. Welcome to your job board, the place where your hiring efforts come together on the posting board. To get started, click Search My Jobs, then select the job listing you'd like to review. Here you'll see every applicant who's applied for that position. Each entry shows the applicant's name, email, resume, phone number, and date applied, all neatly organized for quick reference. You can also see their current decision status, whether you've marked them as yes, no, or maybe. From here, you can view an application to see full details or delete one if it's no longer needed. You can also manage multiple applicants at once using the Action dropdown. Simply check the box beside each name, then choose whether to send an email to applicants or set an application decision. Click the Settings tab to control how your job applications run. Here, you will set your open and close dates to automatically manage when applications are accepted. Input the address you wish to use for your email messages and customize your confirmation message to thank applicants or share next steps. When you're done, just click Save, and your updates take effect instantly. That's how easy it is to manage your job postings and applicants on the posting board. From posting new positions to reviewing applications and updating settings, everything you need is right here in your dashboard.